Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Goblin King's Treasure Dagger in Crimson Desert. Now currently on my map right now, I'm right under the Unicorn Cliff right here. If I zoom out a little bit, it's pretty much just over to the southeast of where your main camp is. Now there is an Abyss Nexus right here that you can take for your convenience. Now the location that we are going to go into is the Mud Ridge cabin right here. Now do be a little bit careful if you're not really prepared for this. This is going to be littered with bandits. Alright, now that I've liberated the entire area, the cabin that you're going to go into would be the second one right here. Once you went into the second cabin, there is a glowing treasure chest right here to the right. How you're going to get inside is over here to the left. Crouch over this wood right here. And then you will reach here to the right. And once again, just keep crouching. And then you'll find the treasure chest right here. And congratulations, you now have the Goblin King's Treasure Dagger. And these are the stats for the Goblin King's Treasure Dagger at an attack of 14 and a high critical rate of 5 and attack speed of 0 at refinement level 1 and has a 10% chance to skin additional hide from any harvested animal. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Goblin King's Treasure Dagger in Crimson Desert.